Rich, Rich, hindi pa ako natapos, Rich. Naka 7 hours na ako, Rich. Ayaw ako patulogin, Rich. Kumusta, Day? Okay lang, Rich. Ikaw, kumusta ka na? Gilaag-laag ka, Rich? Oo, 7 hours. Ano na ako, mag 8 hours. So, 10 minutes, I will end na. I'm going to, end my live. Floris, Marian Baay, hi. Ano lang, konti lang, Rich. Mas malaki ang watch hour pag naka-screencast, Rich. Pag ano siya, pag screencast, malaki yung watch hour. UN when I came. UN when I came. Pag live na ganito, maliit lang yung watch hour. UN when I came. Oo. Oo, Rich. Annex, don't go. Why? Ano na, I'm 10 minutes. Oh, 10 minutes ka dyan. Always 10 minutes. Oo nga, Rich. Hi, ma'am. Anish Kumar. Hello. Trending. Annex, dear. Sri. Lo, gabiin na. Oo nga, matulog na ko eh. Ala, 10 na. So guys, I'm going end this live na. 10:30 p.m. here in the Philippines. OMG. So I'm going to sleep na. I'm going to I saw a vlogger, she offer video call for 50. I saw a vlogger, she offered 50 super chat. Oh, I miss you already, Living R. Good night. Good night. Good night, trending. I need Philippines wife. Rich Buang, good night. So, 10:31 p.m. here in the Philippines. So, MG. So, I'm tired. See you next time. Okay, see you next time. Good night, Annex. Yeah, yes, if you send here $50, she will do private call. Oh, OMG. Hala, ganon. Nads, good night, Nads. Good night, Rich. Nads, good night. Good night, Rich. Buang trending. Good night, trending. Living R, good night. See you next time, Living R. Srida Pose, good night, good night. Thank you for always support. Thank you so much. Antonello Flores, thank you. Okay, bye guys. Good night. I love you all.